Today let's learn how to do this easy yellow watercolor florals. Hello everyone, welcome back to Arty Vibes by Sanika. Today we will be doing this easy loose watercolor floral art. So for that I am using these Viviva watercolor sheets and the Unwindle and Viviva watercolor sketchbook. I have placed all the links of the materials that I am using in the description in case you want to check them out. So first of all, I'll start by wetting my paper. So I'm doing that in the shape of the petal which I want. So I have just dropped a little amount of water. You can directly do it as well. Either way works. And just we are going to draw some very loose flowers. So I am going with my chrome yellow color and I am painting this. You can paint this with any type of watercolor that you have. I am using the watercolor sheets, but you can also use watercolor pans or watercolor tubes, not a problem. Then I am taking some yellow ochre color and dropping it at the bottom part of the flower just to give it nice depth and nice shade, and also just shaping the edges of the petals of the flower with that yellow ochre color. So while doing this, remember not to drop in too much of color, otherwise your entire flower will turn into yellow ochre, which we don't want. We want a nice gradual shade of yellow and a darker part, so that's what we are trying to achieve here. You can see my colors are nicely still wet because I am using a nice 300 GSM 100% cotton watercolor paper. That's what helps me to keep the colors still wet and I can nicely blend in the new colors. So let's draw another flower. This is a very loose flower, so don't worry much about the shape that you are making. Just try to do something similar to what I am making over here. Also, if you have watched the video till here, make sure to just press the like button and drop in a comment so that I'll know that you are liking my videos and I'll be motivated to create more for you. In case you have not subscribed to my channel yet, just subscribe and press the bell icon right below the video so that you will be able to get updates about all my new videos as well. In case you try my videos out, you can send me a picture of your artworks so that I can give you my feedback on Instagram. My Instagram handle is also Arty Vibes by Sanika. You can follow me there as well for regular updates and new posts. So now we are done with the two flowers. I'll just take some sap green color and drop it at the bottom portion of my flower to just demarcate the green area which is just below the flower. And we'll also draw the stems to these flowers. This is a very abstract drawing, so you can just go about it any way you want. I'll just go on adding a few things. So this is a nice thin stem and we'll do the same for the second flower as well. If you wish to learn watercoloring in detail from me, then I am a teacher on Skillshare, so you can take up my online Skillshare classes. And right now there is an offer going on Skillshare, so if you are interested, I can give you 1 month free trial period as a teacher. So you can just tap on the link which is there in the description and just sign up through it to get a 1 month free trial on Skillshare, in which you can take up all the classes that I have completely free. And if you wish to continue later on, you can do that, or else you can just discontinue after your free trial. So it is completely free for a month and you can definitely benefit from that because there are very detailed classes on that and you will definitely enjoy taking them up. So you can definitely check it out. something to the bottom area. So I am again just using the green, spreading it slightly. And can you just see the color of the water which I have got in my container? It looks so beautiful. Let me know if you like that in the comments as well. So here again I am just using the sap green color and just drawing some round line. So you can just do it or completely avoid it because this is a totally abstract drawing, so I am just drawing it. And I am also taking some sap green color in my brush now and just dropping it a few drops. And this tutorial is done, so you can use it for your postcards, greeting cards, or anything that you like. In case you have not seen my other videos, I am linking them right after this video. You can just tap on that and watch them. Please don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe for more such videos. Thank you.